Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This is Jay here once again. I'm excited to see you on the iSenseHUB platform. It is an honor to have you here, so we don't take your time for granted. This morning, I'm going to be taking you through one of the interesting tools we have on iSenseHUB. It is called AI Detector. I always advise people, encourage people to make sure that your output or the product you put out there is a blend of AI and originality, right? So you can have AI generate the content for you, but I expect or I would advise you to actually go through the content yourself and make some changes so that it will be unique, it will be tailored to your need. Okay, so this morning, let's say you've gone ahead and generate a content from AI or with AI, and you're thinking about, okay, which section of the content do I have to edit? Well, we have a tool here called AI Detector. It's basically AI Content Detector. It is a simple tool. So let's quickly go through that and see how it helps us identify the content we've generated and which proportion of it is human or the other proportion that is likely or highly likely to be AI generated. Remember, iSenseHUB is a platform that helps you transform your productivity, right? It is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you real value for money because all the tools that you might need for your professional or individual life is already on iSenseHUB. If you remember the previous tutorial, we actually generated a content for, we use the article generator to generate a content. And I'm just going to run that content through the AI content detector to see which proportion or what proportion of the content is AI generated. And if I want to make some changes to it, which section I should be making changes to. So I'm just going to copy that content. For now, on the iSenseHUB platform, the AI content detector is limited to 5,000 words at a time. This is to prevent abuse because, these tools use credit and the credits are extremely expensive. So we want to be sure that people are using it for the right purpose and right intention. So at a go, it's going to be limiting you to only 5,000 characters at a time, right? So go ahead, but you can do that multiple times depending upon the plan you have because your plan is also capped per day as to the number of scans you can run. Okay, all of this is to prevent abuse and avoid people from misusing the platform. So without further ado, I'm going to paste the content that I've already generated using AI. Remember, we used the AI article wizard to generate this content, right? We haven't made any changes to it. So let's quickly run this through the AI content detector and see what comes out. So this is all. It's just a one-click task. You copy your, yeah, exactly. So we are done, right? So the content that we generated, it is telling us that 29% of the content is human-like. Okay, so it's human written. We do know that we generated the content entirely 100% with AI because we use the article wizard. But because of how we prompted them, created the tool, it is able to create a blend of human-like and AI related kind of writing, right? So 28%, sorry, 28% is human like, 50% is AI generated. It looks like AI generated, but it is not AI generated, right? So right here, it is telling you that using the iSenseHUB article wizard that we used earlier, right? This tool, this is the tool that we use to generate this content. All the content here, we generated it entirely using the article wizard. But even though we generated this with the AI article wizard, you are getting about, because this is 29, 71, and only, so you're getting about 80% of your content not being seen as AI generated. This is a big boost to what you might be doing because literally, if you were to generate a content which is 100% AI generated, this is what you want to do. You want to rewrite it a little bit for it to look like human. And this one is not seen as human generated and it's also not seen as AI generated. So this is good. You're in the middle. So if you add this to this, you're getting about 80% of the content that was generated using the AI article wizard to be seen as human-like kind of generation write-up. And I think that is entirely amazing and it's awesome that you can generate a content with AI, yet the AI itself wouldn't be able to detect that it is 100% content AI generated. So thank you. I encourage you to utilize this tool. So over here, if you want to change anything, this section is showing as AI generated. So you can rewrite this. You can actually go through and change few of the words and change it to make it fit your need. In case you don't want it to look like AI at all, this is where you have to make your change because this is good. This section is saying that it looks like AI generated, but it is not AI generated. For this section, it is saying it is entirely human generated. So I think you're in good hand if you were to use the AI article generator or like AI article wizard to generate your content. So thank you very much for going through this tutorial. Go ahead and utilize the platform with the iSenseHUB platform. You know, the key is the fact that you maximize your output and you minimize the effort. With iSenseHUB, you maximize your